When it's time to prepare your business tax return, do you know what's actually included and how to file it correctly? Your tax return is really a story of your business year, what you earned, what you spent to keep it running, and how you grew. As a small business owner who's been through a few tax seasons and relies on Intuit QuickBooks as a trusted business resource, I've learned a lot along the way. Filling out your business tax return gets much easier when you understand what each section really means and how it connects to the way you run your business. In the next few minutes, we'll cover what's in your business tax return and the 5 steps to fill it out and file it correctly. Think of your business tax return as a snapshot of how your business performed last year, what you earned, what you spent, and the taxes you owe. You'll report income from sales or services and deductions for business expenses such as costs associated with software, supplies, rent, or mileage. If you have employees, you'll also include payroll information and employment taxes. Now that you've got an idea of what's included, the next question is, how do you actually fill out a business tax return? Well, let's walk through it step by step. Step 1, use the right form. Sole proprietors usually file Schedule C, partnerships file Form 1065, and corporations use Form 1120 or 1120S. If you're an LLC, file the appropriate form whether you're taxed as a sole proprietor, partnership, or C or S Corp. Go ahead and screenshot or bookmark this video so you have it handy for later. Step 2, gather your records. Pull together your income statements, expense reports, payroll summaries, and receipts. Having everything organized saves hours later. Step 3, fill in your details. Enter your total income, list your deductible expenses, and calculate your net profit or loss. Step 4, make sure your totals match your books and that all required tax forms, schedules, or supporting records for your business type are included, like income statements, payroll reports, or deductions documentation. Step 5, file and pay. You can e-file through the IRS or your preferred software. And if you owe taxes, make sure you pay when you file to avoid penalties. So that's what goes into your business tax return: your income, expenses, deductions, and the right form for your business type. And if you're using an accounting software like QuickBooks to help keep your books organized and your finances in order, you're that much more prepared come tax time. So go ahead and excel. You've built something great. Make sure your tax return tells that business story the right way. This is what worked for me in my business, and I hope that it helps make things easier for you too. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's tackle tax season with confidence.